Amazon's annual shareholder meeting set for today. Shares of the company up about 15% since Andy Jassy became CEO. Joining us right now, Scott Devitt, Wedbush Securities Senior Analyst. Good morning to you. What are you watching for? What do you want to learn today?
Good morning, Andrew. So I'd say three different areas of focus. First, on the cloud business, Andy talks quite a bit about the fact that 85% of compute is still done on-premise, and so there's a significant opportunity for the cloud business to grow that market share over many years. And then he's also mentioned that the opportunity in AI within cloud is tens of billions of dollars of incremental revenue on top of the business, and so I'm sure they'll talk extensively about the AI opportunity. In retail, you're going to hear them talk, quite a bit about the Prime business, the amount of items that are qualified for Prime is something like 300 million. I think there's tens of millions of items that are delivered in same day or next day. Almost 2/3 in the top 60 metros in the US show up same day, next day. So a lot of conversation around pushing that retail business forward. And then finally, this advertising business, which is now a $65 billion high margin business, probably some conversation around that as well.
In terms of the tariff piece, we've been talking about Target this morning, Lowe's, obviously Home Depot. Everybody in the wake of Walmart's, I don't know if it's a faux pas, but maybe it's just being transparent. Said, hey, we're going to be raising prices. By the way, Andy Jassy told me on this broadcast, I believe, about a month ago, we're going to be raising prices. Of course, there was a bit of a slapback to Walmart when Doug McMillon made those comments. What do you think we're going to hear in that regard?
So Amazon's model is a little different than Walmart in that 2/3 of the sales come from third parties who set their own prices. So Amazon uses its first party business, to help drive competitive pricing, but a lot of the decisions are made outside of Amazon. And so the marketplace in general is a price following marketplace. So if others hold price firm, I think you'll see merchants on Amazon be forced to hold price firm. If Walmart tweaks pricing in some areas, you'll see Amazon prices rise as well.